get up off the block, get up out the streets. You ain't living by the code, man, the code be the G. All my dogs on the block hustling, try and get the cheese. I ain't mad at you, gotta get it by any means. Roll your weed up tight and drink your liquor heavy. Calm your nerves down, homie, get your mind steady. When it's on, we throw this money like confetti. Gotta put the hood on top, tell me, is you ready? Now one deuce at the bottom of the peak state. Low country, south side, yeah, that's where the click stay. Scrub life, homie, that's the only team that I'll bang. Pistol on me hidden, why you think I let my pants hang? Sitting low in the hoopty when you see me riding. Windows down, music loud, bitch, I'm just vibing. I never start beef, it always find me. But I ain't worried, cause my dog's right behind me. One time for my dogs on the block, pushing loud and cigars. One time for the players and the pimps running game on the bras. One time for my scrub life soldiers, they ride for me. One time for the fuck boys, stay the hell from around me. I don't like these pussy boys, they be making me nervous. I don't chill with them either, they don't serve me no purpose. Dressed in all black on the block with a flat wallet. Ratchet ass scrub, how you see it is how you call it. I'm a young dog living by the old rules. Oh, you ain't no fool, man, I'm so old school. Walking with a waddle, when you see me tip the bottle, I let God take control like my pilot's on auto. Headed to the cheddar, gotta get my dogs breaded. Fuck the world like a bitch when the legs are spreaded. They say money take your soul, well I ain't gon' let it. So in love to my city, breaking bread when I get it. I can't stand when pussy boys pull that flam on you. They hating cause I'm grinding like when bitches dance on you. I gotta hustle just to get a dollar bill, bruh. I do the shit for the struggle, that's how I feel, bruh. One time for my dogs on the block, pushing loud and cigars. One time for the players and the pimps running game on the